So hello, good morning everyone. Right. So today I'm planning to explain about SuccessFactors releases that usually up to 2019 quarter four. We used to have 4 quarters, and then from 2020 onwards, so SAP made a lot of changes with regard to the releases that we used to have 4 quarters every year up to 2019. But the schedule for 2020 releases is completely different now, and depending upon these releases, you can expect the Delta exams are also going to be the same pattern. For example, on my website, I have written a blog with regarding the SuccessFactors releases schedule from 2020. I think it was actually written on last year, October 21st, 2019. So as we used to have a quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four, like for example, let me give you the simple concept. For example, if you are there on quarter 19, 2019, suppose when exactly the quarter one starts. Let us say you always see it like 1902, 19, let us say 05, 1908, 1911. So that means as you are aware that first two digits stands for the year 2019, and the last two digits stands for the month, let us say February, and here May, here August, and November. So like we used to have a quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four, and based on that, for example, if anyone is doing any certifications in SuccessFactors, and if you see along with the product code, the last four digit of the certification also will be the depending upon the current release of that particular version examination code. For example, if you say C underscore THR 81 underscore 1902, that means what is C stands for certification, THR 81 is a product code for Employee Central, and this is the version code 2019-02. For example, if you are there in the quarter one, sorry, if you're there in quarter two, this code will change to 05. Suppose if you are there on quarter three, so this code will change to 08. So this is actual the pattern that how the releases used to take place. But when it comes to SuccessFactors releases from 2020, so those who want to understand, those who want to learn more about this, so this is on my website. You can see there is you can see SAP SuccessFactors 2020 releases. But now from 2020, what happened, the releases will occur only twice a year. But what will be the schedule? That is why you can see like quarter one 2019, quarter two, quarter three. So these are approximate dates, like a preview release, a production release. So you can see the preview release and production release. But let us say if you are there on now currently we are on the 2020, so first half yearly is running. So like a preview release and a production release. But what will be the code? Let us say now you are on the first half yearly, then what will be the code? Let us say we are on the 2020, let us say 20. So usually when it is happening, let us say May, right? So then what will be 05 2000? It's not a year, it is a version code. And you can see here 2020 last digit is exactly that when the release takes place, from which month it is, let us say 05. It is approximate one. That is why if you go and see in the your certification hub, you will be seeing the code like C underscore THR 81 underscore 2005. It is not the year, okay? It is the version of your SuccessFactors release for first half yearly 2020. Then so you have a two releases in a year, right? So two releases in a year, like first half yearly, second half yearly. So then what will be the next code? For example, if you look at here, that approximately the November, right, the code will be changing like 2011. So that means the code you can make it like C underscore THR 81 underscore, right? 2011. This is there are two things that I try to explain here. One thing is about the releases, that the code, the number, that how you need to identify how these codes that is connected with any of the product code in SuccessFactors. If anyone is writing certifications, so this code will surely help you. That is why those who want to more understand, understand more about this, so I request you, it is very clearly explained here. And you can see that from 2020 release dates, as I mentioned in the screenshot also, the first one is like a 15th May 2020 and November 2020, and it will be continuing the same for like 2021, 2022, 2023, and etc. So and those who are interested to learn more about this, come to this website, and you can understand, or otherwise whatever the simple logic I just explained here, so you can learn from that. And so hope this short video will help you everyone. And those who really wanted to know more about the trainings and the other details about SuccessFactors, some kind of support, you can contact me with the below details or the below number mentioned here. So thank you so much. And otherwise you can also see the number here, my mobile number. So thank you so much, and see you all again next time. Bye everyone.